Hello and welcome to Med Simplified. When it comes to fat, there's only one type you don't want to cut back on: omega-3 fatty acids. Two crucial ones, EPA and DHA, and these are mainly found in certain types of fishes. Fish oil is the best source of these omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil is a dietary supplement which is extracted from the tissues of certain kinds of oily fishes. The most vital component of fish oils are the docosahexaenoic acid, the DHA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, also known as EPA. These components are considered to have many health benefits like ability to enhance our mood and immunity, reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the body. In this video, we will talk about what are these omega-3 fatty acids and why are they so important to us. Then we will discuss the important sources of these omega fatty acids and their health benefits on our various organ systems. And in the end, we will also discuss the difference between supplements and seafood. So let's begin. The essential nutrient in fish oil, the omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, offer health benefits from tip to toe. Many studies have proven the benefits of fish oil supplements, especially the effect of omega-3 fatty acids in various kinds of medical conditions like mental health, including anxiety and depression. So let's first talk about what are these omega-3 fatty acids and why are they so important. Omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fat, also known as PUFAs, which are good fats and are required for a lot of important things in our body, including our metabolism, cell membranes, our immunity, our hormones, and a host of other processes. The problem is humans, including the rest of mammals, cannot synthesize these fatty acids and they have to be obtained from diet. There is another type of omega-3 fatty acid known as the ALA, also known as the alpha-linoleic acid, which is mainly present in plant sources like nuts and seeds like flax seeds, soybean and canola oils. Your body can convert some ALA into EPA and then to DHA, but only in very small amounts. Therefore, getting EPA and DHA from foods and dietary supplements is the only practical way to increase these levels of omega-3 fatty acids in your body. We can get DHA and EPA through fish oil. And here is an interesting fact. DHA and EPA are present in fish oils and krill oils, but they are originally synthesized by microalgae, not by the fish. Phytoplankton eat these microalgae and fishes eat phytoplanktons. When fishes consume these phytoplanktons that consume the microalgae, they accumulate the omega-3s in their tissues. Now let's look at 5 health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids which are proven by research and understand why are they so important for our body. Many studies have shown that eating fatty fish and other types of seafood as part of a healthy eating pattern helps to keep our heart healthy and helps to protect you from diseases like myocardial infarction, atherosclerosis and stroke. Fish oil and supplements help to lower elevated triglyceride levels. Having high levels of this blood fat puts you at an increased risk for heart disease and stroke. Here are some other ways by which omega-3 fatty acids help our cardiovascular system. Omega-3s can reduce blood pressure levels in people with high blood pressure, which is an important risk factor for development of heart disease. Omega-3s can raise the HDL levels of our blood. Omega-3s can help to keep the platelets from clumping together. This helps to prevent the formation of harmful blood clots. Omega-3s can prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries that can restrict and harden your arteries and lead to atherosclerosis. Omega-3s also help to control inflammation, which is good for blood vessels and heart. Omega-3 fatty acids make an essential building block for the brain cell structures and membranes. As a result, they are vital for the optimal brain functions. Further, omega-3 acids are also necessary for adequate performance of the nerve cells. It has been shown that in certain conditions, that fish oil can help in improvement of memory also. Different mechanisms of action have been proposed. For example, omega-3s can easily travel through your brain's cell membranes and interact with mood-related molecules inside the brain. They also have anti-inflammatory actions by which they can relieve depression. Omega-3 fatty acids have been studied in various mood disorders such as postpartum depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, borderline personality disorder, obsessive compulsive disorders, and attention deficit disorders. However, there is still not enough evidence to recommend the omega-3s in these conditions. The bottom line on omega-3s and mental health is that omega-3 fatty acids are promising natural treatments for mood disorders, but we need more research about how they work, how effective they really are, and their long-term safety before we can make our conclusive recommendations. The number and activity of the disease-fighting cells of the body, known as the B cells and T cells, goes up with regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids. This, along with its anti-inflammatory action, helps in building stronger immunity. The omega fatty acids are important for both the innate and adaptive immunity. They improve the activity of macrophages, which are large immune cells which eat up bacteria and other pathogens. They are also important for neutrophils and other types of cells of our immune system. Omega-3 fatty acids are also important to prevent and control autoimmune diseases. That is when our immunity causes damage to our own cells and tissues. These fatty acids control inflammation, which can occur as a result of immune overactivity. Getting enough omega-3s during the first year of life is linked to a reduced risk of many autoimmune diseases like type 1 diabetes and multiple sclerosis, for example. It can also help to treat other illnesses such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and ulcerative colitis. Omega-3s may protect against the sun's harmful ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays. Studies have shown that supplementing with a combination of DHA and EPA can reduce the skin's sensitivity to UV rays. Omega-3s help to moisturize the skin and fight red, dry, or itchy skin caused by skin disorders like atopic dermatitis and psoriasis. This is because omega-3s improve the skin barrier function, sealing in the moisture and keeping out the irritants. Omega-3s also help to accelerate wound healing, as they are required by the new growing cells to synthesize their cell membranes. Omega-3 fatty acids are also good for hair, as they help to prevent hair loss and promote hair regrowth. Now friends, let's talk about what is the difference between getting your omega-3s from natural diet versus taking supplements of fish oil. Although you can get the recommended amount of omega fatty acids from supplementation easily, but the dietary guidelines from various health authorities state that your nutritional needs should be met primarily through your diet. But for some people, supplements may be a useful way of getting nutrients they otherwise lack. Supplements aren't intended to replace foods. They can't replicate all of the nutrients and benefits of whole foods such as fishes like salmons, sardines, mackerels, lake trout, and tuna. Vegetarian sources of food include walnuts, flax seeds, Brussels sprouts, tofu, canola oil, avocados, etc. Try to include these foods in your regular diet, as these foods are also rich in other essential fatty acids and vital nutrients like selenium, magnesium, manganese, biotin, protein, and fiber, which are all essential nutrients that our body requires. I have included links to some of these fish oil supplements in the description box down below so you can check them out. I hope this video was informative and I was able to help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.